Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 8 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay, so today I'm doing look number 8 in my 10 looks using one palette series. I'm going to try to just use a bunch of colors and we will see. All of my brushes are dirty, like seriously all my favorite brushes are dirty, so I'm gonna have to use a bunch of random ones. So my brows are on and my eyes are primed with concealer. I used the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer and it actually dries down pretty good, so I don't feel like I have to set my eyes. First thing I'm gonna do is take this Wet n Wild fluffy blending brush and go in with Weekender. This is pretty much how I start every single look, just laying this down as a transition shade. Once I have that blended out, I'm gonna go in with the same brush and I'm gonna pick up Baja, but I'm gonna go really lightly with this color and build that up in the crease. Next, on this Curie Cosmetics blending brush, I'm going to pick up Hellride. Then in with that first brush, lightly to blend out the edges of the pink. I have a weird spot right here that's not blending, but it blended perfectly fine on this eye, so I have no idea what this is. Next, I'm going to take concealer and do a half cut crease, and then I'm going to go over the top of that with Big Sky. So now I'm taking Big Sky on a packing brush and I am going to spray that with a setting spray. And I'm just going to pack that all over where I put the concealer, and then taking the Hellride shade and blending that so there aren't any crazy edges. Got that on and I was blending it out. I cannot get this weird little patch to blend out. I don't know if it just grabbed, if the pigment just grabbed onto the concealer and it was not dry enough or set down enough, or I don't know what it is, but I cannot get it to blend out. So this is what the eyeshadow is looking like blended out. Obviously this eye is the good eye. It blended out really nicely and it looks really good. This one just has that weird spot right here, which it doesn't look as bad in person, but looking into my viewfinder, I can see a distinct like line. So now I am just going to line my top lash line. I'm not gonna do a wing, I'm just gonna line it with the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. So I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to finish up the eye look. Okay, so let's finish up this eye look. I'm gonna take a little detail brush and pick up Hellride. And I'm gonna push that up against the waterline on the outer half. And I am connecting that to the top. And taking this e.l.f. eye crease brush, I am going to take Still Shot and Baja and put that on the inner part right next to the lash line and smoking out that pink a little bit. Taking a little brush, this is, I don't know, just a random one from Wish, I'm guessing, and taking Still Shot and smoking out the edges. Then taking this Morphe M213 and taking Breakaway right on the inner corner. I am dragging that down a little bit and right under the arch of my brow. Then just popping on some mascara. And then I'm taking the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in Silky Nude and putting that right on the waterline. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 8 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I really like how this eyeshadow look turned out. I thought it was super fun. I used kind of a random assortment of colors, but I think that it turned out really good, and this is probably one of my top looks from this series so far. I really like how this one turned out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. I did film me finishing getting ready with this face makeup. I just kind of shopped my stash and found products. I've been really trying to do that lately, so if you guys want to see that video, it will be coming up next. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with any products, looks, or color combinations that you want to see me use out of this palette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.